Hey there! Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living Bonus Book Review. We've got the dynamic duo, John and Gary. I'm John, the veggie virtuoso, here to make your kitchen the hottest garden party in town.
And I'm Gary, the mastermind behind the magic, making veggies disappear off your plate faster than you can say, tofu tornado. Together, we're here to serve up some epic vegan wisdom, sprinkled with humor, doused with sass, and garnished with a whole lot of fun. Thanks a ton for tuning in and sticking with us. Let's get leafy and make some kale yay moments.
Vegan Under Pressure, perfect vegan meals made quick and easy in your pressure cooker paperback. Illustrated, January 12, 2016, by Jill Nussino.
With the convenience of a pressure cooker, vegan cooking becomes fast, fresh, and flavorful for the increasing number of people embracing a vegan lifestyle. A pressure cooker saves time and expands their daily menu. It significantly reduces the cooking time for nutritious vegan essentials like dried beans and ancient grains, making dishes like homemade hummus and braised artichoke feasible for weekend dinners. In Vegan Under Pressure, Jill Nussino demonstrates how to use a pressure cooker safely and effectively, showcasing a diverse array of vegan dishes that can be prepared with it. Her recipes include roasted pepper and white bean dip, arasa glazed carrots with green olives, pozzo chili, farro salad with tomatoes and arugula, Thai summer vegetable curry, a variety of veggie burgers, cornbread, pear almond upside down cake, and even a DIY soy milk and seitan.
About the author, Jill Nussino, known as the Veggie Queen, has been a plant-based, whole food cooking instructor for over 25 years at Santa Rosa Junior College and other venues. Since 1996, she has shared her expertise in pressure cooking with countless individuals. Jill is the author of 3 previous books, The New Fast Food, Nutrition Champs, and The Veggie Queen, Vegetables Get the Royal Treatment. Product details. Publisher, Harvest, Illustrated Edition January 12, 2016. Language, English. Paperback, 320 pages. ISBN 10-0544464028. ISBN 13-978-0544464025. Multiple Amazon reviews. The book provides excellent descriptions of stovetop and electric pressure cookers. As an Instant Pot owner, I appreciated learning about the history and functionality of different pressure cookers. The recipes are straightforward, and many are designed for quick, healthy meals perfect for busy nights. They also teach basic pressure cooking techniques such as making risotto, with options for ingredient substitutions and different flavor profiles. For instance, I successfully made butternut squash risotto by adapting the basic risotto recipe, omitting the kale. The process was quick and easy. However, I believe cookbooks should include photos of nearly all dishes, and this book falls short in that aspect. Additionally, some of the recipes did not align with my taste preferences, such as the millet, amaranth, and sweet potato pudding, which I found bland and not sweet enough despite the note stating no sweetener was necessary. While the recipes are adjustable, they often require a bit of imagination to suit personal tastes. The lack of photos, difficult to read typeface and color, and uncommon ingredients are also drawbacks. Although I made 16 recipes, only one didn't suit my taste due to texture preferences. However, the recipes were not my style, and the cooking times often seemed too long for my Instant Pot, resulting in overcooked vegetables. Furthermore, the index is poorly organized, and the Kindle version of the book was disappointing since it was difficult to navigate and mark recipes. Despite the positive reviews, the book lacked practical, tasty recipes with ordinary ingredients.
My opinion. When I purchased this book, I was new to pressure cooking, and it helped me learn and experiment overcoming the common fears of pressure cooking. This book made the transition both easy and delicious. It's the best vegan cookbook for my Instant Pot that I've found so far. Whenever I imagine a recipe or technique for something I typically cook as a vegan, I find it in this book. Jill truly is the queen of vegan pressure cooking. The book includes tables for quick reference on grains, beans, and veggies, recipes for sauces, pudding, cheesecake, and numerous everyday dishes like curries and lentils. The seasonings are balanced, allowing the full flavor of the vegetables to come through. Some dishes lean towards the exotic, but I regularly enjoy the basic staples like coconut cauliflower mash, chili, and creamy cornbread with millet. The liquids and timing charts are valuable for anyone new to pressure cooking, and I refer to them often. One feature I appreciate is the inclusion of instructions for both stovetop and electric pressure cooker within each recipe. However, while some recipes are excellent as written, I've had 4 bad experiences. 3 recipes burned, and 1 tasted terrible due to the lack of seasoning despite following the instructions exactly. The layout and illustrations are beautiful and thoughtful, but many recipes are duplicated of the same basic concept. The directions are clear and include substitutions and variations with clear indications when oil is optional. The additional tips are magically and incredibly helpful. Despite the great information, the book suffers in quality and legibility. The paper is thin and feels cheap, and the light brown font on the blue background is difficult to read without solid light and good glasses. Additionally, the dessert section is disappointingly small. Dishes like artichokes in minutes, Bejeweled black rice salad, late winter eating down the freezer, vegetable curry, and vegetable chick pie were delicious.
Tune in to our next vegan skit named A Taste of Earth.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. We really appreciate you listening and can't wait to have you back for our next exciting episode all about veganism.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch from the album Mononymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs, released by Danmark Music Group on March 4th, 2019. Darren Birch Music. My disclaimer: I aim for accuracy and embrace continuous learning. My views are evidence-based and open to feedback. This content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician. This disclaimer applies to all contributors.